Welcome to Data Reveal AI, your gateway to the future of innovation. Audits used to be overwhelming: scattered documents, untraceable records, tight deadlines, and the stress of compliance. Introducing GEN AI Audit Helper, your intelligent audit assistant. Start by uploading your invoice PDFs into the system. The Document Management tab lets you organize, search, and filter them easily by file name or even date range. Once uploaded, monitor every process in real time with the Job Status tab, from document processing to data extraction. Then head over to the Chat workspace, a natural language interface where you can ask questions about your processed invoices and get clear, instant responses powered by retrieval augmented generation. Ask questions and get precise results instantly. From GST compliance to invoice traceability, everything is at your fingertips. Need to find mismatched GST entries from last year? Just ask. Our AI understands your query, retrieves the data, and shows who did what and when. All your records stay safe on premise, with full control, identity tracking, and 7-year traceability. GEN AI Audit Helper. Because audits shouldn't be stressful, smarter audits, simpler compliance. Contact us today for a live demo. Data Reveal AI, where technology meets innovation.